Good day, viewers. You are welcome to this edition of our YouTube channel. And today we are going to look at a very important topic in the mathematics scheme of work. And that topic is called modular arithmetic. First of all, what is modular arithmetic? Modular arithmetic is a system of arithmetic where numbers are being wrapped up upon reaching a certain value. Now, with that being said, at the end of this topic, you should be able to resolve questions involving subtraction of modular arithmetic, questions on multiplication of modular arithmetic, addition, as well as modular arithmetic involving linear equations. Now, with that being said, let's again look at it carefully, the rules of this modular arithmetic. First of all, I want you to know that whenever you are taking questions on modular arithmetic, your final answer, rule number one, your final answer must not give you a negative value. Whenever you are having a negative value, let's say I'm working mode 8. Then I'm not having -5 as my answer, a -5. I will have to add up my mode to clear that negative sign. That is the first rule. Now, the second rule says that your final answer must be less than your mode. In other words, if I'm working, let's say I'm working in modulus 3, my final answer should be 2,1. The integer should be around 210. With that being said, let's go straight and start resolving questions. Now, let's quickly simplify the following questions. The first question says simplify 12 mode 5. And this is 26 mode 7, 31 mode 9, 23 mode 6. With that being said, let me go straight and start resolving the questions. Now, the very first thing I'm simply going to do here, if I'm to simplify 12 mode 5, I'm going to start. This is A, the solution to the first question. We are having 12 mode 5. The very first thing I'm simply going to do, ask yourself, if 5 should go into 12, what are we going to have and what will be our remainder? So 5 divided by 12 automatically will give us 2, remainder 2. 5 can only go into 12 twice. So therefore, 5 into 12, it will give me 2. I'll come right here and I'm going to write it 2. You can see the way I'm simply doing it. I'm going to come right here and write it 2. Then multiply by, what is my base? My base is 5. Plus, if 5 should divide 12, what will be our remainder? If 5 should divide 12, it will be 2, remainder 2. Is that remainder I'm looking for? Plus the remainder. At the end of the day, this is what we are looking for. This number here, which is the remainder. So you come and say your final answer is 2 mode 5. And that is the solution to question number A. Then we go to problem B. Next, problem B. 26, simplify 26 mode 7. So I'm going to come right here, 26, and this is mode 7. Okay. Now, the first thing I'm simply going to do, like I earlier said, whenever you have been given questions, ensure you divide this 26 using your mode. Now, 26 divided by 7. How many 7 do we have in 26? 26 divided by 7, it will go 3 times. So I'm going to come here and write my 3. You can see for yourself. Multiply by, okay, next. What is my mode? My mode is 7. You can clearly see the way it is done from this angle. Then after that, plus, if 26, if 7 should go into 26, what will be our remainder? If 7 should go into 26, we are going to have 3. And we are going to have remainder what? 5. So I'll come here and say plus 5. Remember, this remainder is our target. Is what we are interested in. Every other process, this is what we are looking for. So my final answer becomes 5 mode 7. So you can clearly see the way it is done. Now I'm going to problem C. For problem C, 31 mode. For problem C, 31 mode 9. So the very first thing, like I earlier said, the very first thing you're simply going to do here is simple. If 9 should go into 31, how many times will it go? 3. You come right here and say 3, multiply by, what is your mode? Your mode is 9. Plus, if 9 should go into if 9 should go into 31, it will go 3 times. What is your mode? My mode is 9. Now the question here is, if 9 should go to 31, what will be the remainder? Because 9 times 3 is 27, we will be left with 4. So my remainder here is 4. So at the end of the day, I'm simply going to come right here and say, this is our target, our remainder. My final answer is 4 mod 9. You can clearly see the way it is done, neatly done. So take a good look at it. And also, I want you to dissolve the question number 4 here, the D, and place your answer in the comment section below. Thank you.